Welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's quick and simple tutorial, I'm going to show you how to temporarily turn off antivirus on your Windows 11 PC. Now, Windows Defender, also known as Microsoft Defender, is a very powerful built-in security tool that helps protect your computer from viruses, malware, and other threats. But sometimes it can actually block certain files or applications, especially when you're installing software that it mistakenly detects as unsafe. So in situations like that, you might need to temporarily disable it, just to get your work done. Now don't worry, I'll walk you through this step by step. Before we begin, make sure you like this video, share it, and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, go ahead and click on the Start menu and open Settings. Once Settings opens, click on Privacy and Security. From there, select Windows Security. Now click on Virus and Threat Protection. All right, under Virus and Threat Protection settings, you'll see an option that says Manage Settings. Go ahead and click on that. Good. Now look for Real-Time Protection. This is the feature that continuously scans your system for threats. To turn it off, simply click the toggle button. Windows will ask for confirmation. Just click Yes. And just like that, your Windows Defender antivirus is now temporarily turned off. Nice and simple. But here's something very important. This is only temporary. For your own safety, always turn it back on immediately after you're done installing or using that file. To enable it again, just follow the same steps and turn real-time protection back on. Also, keep in mind, Windows can automatically turn it back on after some time or when you restart your computer. Now here's a quick safety tip. Before disabling your antivirus, always make sure the file you're about to use is safe. You can upload and scan it using tools like VirusTotal just to avoid any risk. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Zimist Coded. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.